Hi, in this video I would like to talk about the most popular programming languages. Precondition to become software developer in tests is to know at least basics of any popular programming languages. I will recommend you to know at least basic of JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, C# or Java. Then there is high chance that you will be known about 90% of the most popular programming languages. So please stay tuned until end of this video. Please give me likes if you like this content, subscribe for this channel and hit notification bell. I also would like to know which programming language you know. So please type in comments the programming language which you know. Test Automation Expert channel. LearnTestCode.com. First of all, the most important skill is to know any software development language. You may know, for instance, JavaScript and TypeScript. I will recommend that as a trend, one of the most popular. I think JavaScript and TypeScript is the most popular programming language right now. Later on, the most popular for test automation, I would say, is Python. And Python is still like growing, and training community of Python is increasing. There is .NET, C#, and there is Java. So it will be great if you can learn one of those languages. If you would like to learn more, but you don't need to be expert in software development, you just need to know some basics, how to write the code in one of the following languages. In the future, I will prepare a course for one or few of those programming languages, so please observe below. In description, link to the tutorials for JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, .NET, C#, Java programming languages for testers. Please visit my website LearnTestCode.com. Please remember to subscribe my channel, hit notification bell and give me likes. I'm Test Automation Expert.